Investing money wisely is a challenge many face. With myriad options available, finding the best way to invest $1,000 can seem daunting. The financial world is vast, with numerous opportunities and risks. Picking the right investment can make a significant difference in your financial future. Hence, it is crucial to educate oneself and make informed choices. Many people feel overwhelmed when they think about investments. They might believe they need a lot of money or extensive knowledge to start. However, even a small amount like $1,000 can grow with the right strategies. The key is to find methods that suit your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing wisely requires understanding what options are available. You don't need to be a financial expert, but having a basic grasp of investment principles can guide you. This essay aims to help you navigate these waters, offering insights into how you can make your $1,000 work for you. By the end of this essay, you should have a clearer idea of how to invest your money. Knowledge is power, and being informed will help you make the best decisions with your $1,000. Let's dive into the world of investing and see how you can start building your financial future. Investing is the act of allocating money into various financial instruments to earn a return. It's not just about putting money into stocks. There are many avenues to explore. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate are a few examples. Each has its own set of risks and rewards. Making smart financial decisions starts with setting clear goals. Are you looking to grow your money over a long period, or do you need quick returns? Understanding your objectives will help you choose the right investments. It's also essential to consider your risk tolerance. Some investments are riskier, but offer higher returns, while others are safer, but may grow more slowly. Education is a crucial part of smart investing. Knowing the basics of how different investments work will help you make better choices. This essay will give you an overview, but continuing to learn and stay informed is vital. Finally, it's important to start small and build your confidence. Investing $1,000 is a great way to get your feet wet without taking on too much risk. Over time, you can increase your investments as you become more comfortable and knowledgeable. To start investing, you'll need a few essential tools. First, a computer or smartphone is necessary. These devices will allow you to access online brokerage accounts and financial websites. You'll use them to research investments, track your portfolio, and make trades. Next, reliable internet access is a must. The financial world moves quickly, and staying updated is crucial. Internet access will enable you to read market news, check stock prices, and follow investment trends. Many online resources and tools can help you make informed decisions. Basic financial knowledge is also essential. You don't need to be an expert, but understanding key concepts like diversification, risk, and return will help. Many free courses and articles online can help you learn the basics. Websites like Investopedia offer valuable resources for beginners. Finally, consider using financial apps and tools. Apps like Robinhood, eTrade, and Acorns make it easy to invest small amounts of money. They offer user-friendly interfaces and educational resources to help you get started. These tools can simplify the investment process and make it more accessible. When it comes to investing, there are several options to consider. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Let's break down some of the most popular ones. Stocks are a common investment choice. They represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns. However, they are also risky and can be volatile. It's important to research companies and diversify your stock investments to mitigate risks. Bonds are another option. They are essentially loans you give to companies or governments, which pay you interest over time. Bonds are generally safer than stocks, but offer lower returns. They can be a good option for those looking for more stability in their investments. Mutual funds pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. They offer diversification and professional management, making them a good option for beginners. However, they can also have higher fees compared to other investment options. Real estate is another way to invest your money. Buying property can provide rental income and potential appreciation. However, it requires a significant upfront investment and ongoing maintenance. It can be less liquid than other investments, meaning it may take time to sell the property and access your money. Let's consider a mock scenario to illustrate how you might allocate $1,000. Suppose you want to diversify your investments to balance risk and return. Here's one way you could distribute your money. First, you might allocate $400 to stocks. You could invest in a mix of large, mid, and small cap companies to diversify. Consider companies in different industries to spread out your risk. Research well-performing companies with solid growth potential. Next, you could allocate $300 to bonds. Choose a mix of corporate and government bonds to balance risk and return. Bonds can provide steady income and reduce the overall risk of your portfolio. For mutual funds, you might allocate $200. Look for funds with low fees and good track records. Consider index funds, which aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index and often have lower fees. Lastly, you could allocate $100 to a real estate investment trust, or REIT. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without buying property. They provide exposure to the real estate market and can offer dividends. Sharing tips on selecting and diversifying investments. When selecting investments, it's important to do your homework. Research companies, funds, and other investment options thoroughly. Look at their performance history, management team, and financial health. The more information you have, the better your decisions will be. Diversification is key to reducing risk. By spreading your money across different investments, you can protect yourself from significant losses. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a mix of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate to balance risk and return. It's also important to stay informed. The financial world is constantly changing, and keeping up with news and trends can help you make better decisions. Follow financial news, subscribe to investment newsletters, and attend webinars or workshops. Finally, don't be afraid to seek advice. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights and help you create a solid investment strategy. They can offer personalized recommendations based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're unsure, consider consulting a professional. Addressing common pitfalls and solutions. Investing comes with its own set of challenges and pitfalls. One common mistake is not diversifying enough. Putting all your money into one investment can be risky. Diversification can help protect you from significant losses. Another pitfall is not doing enough research. Investing blindly without understanding what you're investing in can lead to poor decisions. Take the time to research and understand your investments. Knowledge is your best tool for making informed choices. Emotional investing is another common mistake. The market can be volatile, and it's easy to get caught up in the ups and downs. Stay calm and stick to your investment strategy. Don't make hasty decisions based on short-term market movements. Finally, not setting clear financial goals can lead to unfocused investing. Know what you want to achieve with your investments. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or building wealth, having clear goals will guide your investment decisions. Recapping key strategies and potential growth. Let's recap some key strategies for investing your $1,000. First, understand your financial goals and risk tolerance. This will guide your investment choices and help you create a balanced portfolio. Next, do your research. Understanding the basics of different investment options will help you make informed decisions. Diversification is crucial for managing risk. Spread your money across various investments to protect yourself from significant losses. Stay informed and keep learning. The financial world is always changing, and staying updated will help you make better decisions. Finally, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your goals and risk tolerance. With the right strategies, your $1,000 can grow and contribute to your financial future. Investing wisely requires patience and discipline. It's not about making quick money, but building wealth over time. By following these strategies, you can make the most of your $1,000 and set yourself on the path to financial success. Encouraging viewers to try investing and invite feedback. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's an essential part of building wealth. With the right strategies, even a small amount like $1,000 can grow over time. Don't be afraid to take the first step. Start small, do your research, and stay informed. The knowledge and experience you gain will be invaluable. Try out an investment strategy and see how it works for you. Remember, it's a learning process. You may not see immediate results, but with patience and discipline, your investments can grow. Keep track of your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. We encourage you to share your experiences and feedback. What strategies worked for you? What challenges did you face? Your insights can help others on their investment journeys. Investing is a continuous learning process, and sharing knowledge benefits everyone. In conclusion, investing $1,000 wisely can set you on the path to financial success. Use the strategies discussed in this essay Stay informed and don't be afraid to seek advice. With dedication and smart decision-making, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure future.